Hello learners, today I am going to explain what is null value in the SQL server. So, a field with the null value is a field with no values. If the field in a table is optional, it is possible to insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to this field. Then the field will be saved with the null value. In addition to that, a null value is a different from zero value or field that contains space. A field with a null value is one that has been left blank during the record creation. So the other main thing is it is not possible to test for null value with comparison operators like equal, not equal, greater than or less than. We have to use is null and is not null operators to do the comparison with the null values. So now we will see how to check the null values in the SQL table. So you can see in my screen I have written a select query for the persons table. You can see in the title we have some null values and there are some values. So if you need to check the null values, null records for the title, then you have to mention where title is null. When you are executing this one, you can see all the title null record as displayed. So if you need to retrieve the records where title equal to not equal to null, then you have to mention is not null. Then you can see your record, the title does not have any null record. So hope you have clear understanding about the null keyword. So thank you.